Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Facebook Meta Pixel inside Google Tag Manager and track all the important e-commerce event. So let's jump right into it. First step, we are going to set up the all page view event, this fires event times someone day lands or any page of your website. Actually, GTM tag and select meta pixel, enter your pixel ID and event name, web page view, set ticket to all page and then save. And next one actually Facebook actually view item tag. Next in the this fires when someone visit a product page, create a new tag, meta picture and event name, view content, set a ticket to view item ticket, and then save. So and the last one and then add to cart Facebook add to cart. Now the add to cart event, this is super important. It's fire when someone the add to cart button, the new tag, meta pixel and event name, add to cart, set ticket to add to cart ticket and then save. And actually beginning checkout, next step is beginning checkout. This fires when someone start the checkout process, new tag, meta pixel, event name, insert checkout, actually and set ticket to begin insert checkout ticket and then save. And finally actually process tag, you have to see process tag. And the most important one, the process event, this fires when an error is successfully complete, new tag, meta pixel, event name, process, set ticket to process ticket and then save. And finally last one actually they go to preview mode. Now, before we public, let's test everything. Hit the preview button in GTM, go through your website and to cart, check out complete process, make this 5 event right now. FB events all space PO and to go to every step by step product processing, add to cart, view cart, and checkout processing, and right now place order, place order. And then it's actually fire. You have to go check actually firing is correctly. You have to go meta pixel event. It's actually fire process fire event actually firing everything. Go to actually preview mode, the actual process and the set event process tag actually fire everything. And that it's your Facebook meta pixel is now full setup and tracking all event properly. If this helps you, hit this like button and drop any question down in the comment. I read every single one. See you in the next one. Thank you.